a joy. It's a joy. This road, nice. We're in St. Thomas. St. Thomas is big up on us. I love the road. It's nice. Ready? That's how it has to be. It's good for my heart, for my baby car. Everybody happy. Lily, you happy?
Yeah, but long time. Used to bad road.
I know, right? No, guys, this is amazing. This road is amazing. It feels so good. Happy driver. We're back. Look who is here. Hello, doing my hair. She's doing her hair. Do this right now before I do anything. Good to have you. Before I'm gonna set up fire and do anything. Yeah, alright, cool. I had to get a test of the water.
I still had lobster in my freezer from my last spearfishing dive, so I decided to bring them here to the river and cook them. Because I much prefer the outdoor cooking by a river or beach.
Beautiful place. So we're gonna have our little cookout here. And because guys, I caught some lobster, so we're gonna prepare the lobster. Are we cooking the lobster?
I must say, I was so shocked when I see a lobster. Girl, they go with themselves.
Yes,
Right, that's so
fresh. Guys, look at the lobster.
Maybe lobster tail.
So there, I tried to take picture. Now the fire almost burned out, and the lobster not even ready. Content creating is not easy. Me? No.
You said you go rub this one that began with that stone slipping out.
Slippery?
So I'm not a service done here. Why?
Though clean and nice and pretty. Lobster always give me a fight. But a good thing my Swiss knife is sharp like razor.
Just adding a little bit of seasoning to my lobster, not much. Put it on the grill just like that. This is my favorite way of preparing freshly caught lobster. I don't really buy seafood in the supermarket, I just eat what I catch. And it's such a joy to prepare your own caught or grown food.
Lobsters are giving us the hard time. Nice, girl, you do that. Alright, here, go wash it. Yeah, while this lobster is cooking, I'm gonna have a little snack. Look at this view, man. You want some? Nice, good, fresh melon from St. Thomas? Yeah, man. I should have brought a lot of lobster. Everybody's like, I'll come in for my share. Yeah, I don't think there's enough. Going to a river for a cookout any day, every day. How I spend my weekends. Last night I was working till midnight. Yes, this morning left out early for this. Yes. I overslept a little bit because we wanted to beat the crowd because people are coming in and then playing their music and so on. So we try to get the content before. We run off with the lobster tail.
Of course, no joke about.
And then we'll prepare a very easy butter garlic sauce with lots of garlic, sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, onion, and some all-purpose seasoning. That's it.
Chef, yes, so you know.
You mean?
Catching on.
Pretty? Oh my god!
Stop.
Adding the garlic butter sauce onto my lobster and some roasted bread. Nice, easy, simple, and delicious.
Who's ready for some garlic shrimp with some garlic bread? Cooked on open fire. Yeah. Look here, guys, if I'm falling here with this good plate. All right. Yes. Falling down. Can't get better than this. Stop. Yeah. Where's the lobster? Oh, yeah, like another way. Natural jacuzzi.
It's a gorgeous. It's a one. Nice. Go out with yourself, man.
So nice, people. Oh my god, belly full, life good. We're here by the river enjoying nature. Look at this. It's so beautiful.
lobster. Man, this is just absolutely beautiful spot. See now guys, more people came, children hanging around there, swimming, because that's now the nice part. It's really shallow. Can come here with children. There is not a strong current, so it's easy to just have a good time, just like we have here after we don't cook. But so now we do have another little surprise for you guys.
Not done yet. There's a surprise coming. Michelle. My current taking me down. Oh God.
Alright, we have a surprise for you guys. So there's more coming.
No move and go nowhere.
Stay right here.
Right yourself.
Right yourself.
Right yourself.
Oh, this is hilarious. This is hilarious.
Just bad. Look how we have Ori.
Real rich.
Real rich. Real rich.
Lobster by the river.
Love fresh catch.
Lobster baby, lobster. Who wants that lobster tail?
It's very nice, you know?
Yeah.
Garlic. Quick 110. What the fuck?
Sure.
Yeah. Chef, this, you know? Why you know my resty? Restaurant.
Assistant chef.
I say, I'm going with myself.
Yeah, cut up lobster. Clean lobster.
For the first time.
Right? That's how we start, guys. That's how I started. Right?
True.
Yes, that's how we learn and grow. I just so I get catch on a different cooking style. Yes, yes.
You can't talk. You not make me talk.
Yeah.
You not talk.
It's a surprise. It's a surprise. We have a little surprise for you. So this was just the start. But I love it here. It's really nice.
It's really nice. And just imagine if we did earlier. Well, it's perfect. Set a perfect time. But a little earlier without
Earlier. Yeah. That is true.
Yeah, but we came right though. We came the right time.
Yeah.
And we got help from the guy.
We're right here in the river, hanging out, chilling. It's hot, you know, so that's the place to be in the cool river. Not even cold. Cool river.
And I just stare at
I love it. I know, right? Nice one. Okay. Oh, we can buy a nice sorrel beer. They sell drinks up there.
Oh, that's
Gonna
nice.
support the bar a little bit. Yeah, man. See, man, we did bring the something.
Yeah, support the people.
Gonna buy a lemon beer.
Yeah, so we'll be
Nice and cool.
Yeah. This
Yeah. Jacuzzi time. Taking me away. That's all I want to do in my life. Discover waterfalls, hang out, cook, and climb around. Telling you guys, I love it. It's my first time here, and I love finding new places. Buy the whole car of melon. Melon is so good.
Alright, so
Try to buy
get a
more.
little sample.
I just see you know.
No, I'm gonna buy more.
I must have more.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have the whole thing.
You're putting out one sell keep coming. Don't taste it.
The boss is a good sales rep. Good sales rep.
Alright, but the price.
Try one with sweet like this one. Because you knew.
Yeah. No.
You know, that's why I bought it.
I'll try it.
People, you know what about this drink?
And you take the beer when you say I'm paying for me, like.
Guys, I never had this. So we have here rum, red stripe, coconut and pine. All right, let's try this. Have you had it before? Let me know if yes, and if you like it. Real Jamaican rum, lightly carbonated, refreshing, sweet and cool. Where should I put it? Ooh. Actually, it's nice. It's nice. I'm just afraid me go did that go drunk.
Let me eat it, bro.
9% alcohol. That's more than a beer. To me, it almost tastes like pina colada. But obviously coconut and pine. But still, the beer, rum.
The can rum one?
There's another one.
Yes, the red one.
Cranberry and rum. That must nice. Yeah.
Yes, better.
Yeah.
You can try that one. Trust me.
I will. This one's sweet.
Yeah, that. And the coconut is overpowering.
Yeah. What the lady said a while ago.
Oh, she was like, when I said, do you know where the historic copper hole is? Yeah, the man said, yeah, just go straight up, and then when you reach a big house, just continue down. And she was like, man, the mermaid catch around there. I tricked me.
They know that's my family.
Them don't know
Them
that.
don't know.
We are part with a mermaid. So you've been up there, no water at all is there? Dry?
We've been there. Right? Well, since we're here, we might just, it's not far, is it up to you? Alright, so I really was prepared to show you a surprise, but everybody in the community say up here, dry up. But since I drive so far, we're gonna just walk. Anyway, so at least next time. I love it, it's beautiful. It's dry, unfortunately, even though we had so much rain in Portland. Look guys, down there, dry up. Yeah, this definitely looks like a riverbed. Big riverbed empty. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful river flowing down here. Crystal clear waters. Changa were jumping around. Then, what happened then? What happened to the river? Finish the story? Humans came and destroyed everything until there was no drop of water left, no living thing left. Because that's how humans are. Reckless. Oh yeah, dry like crackers. Of this adventure, guys, it's ending here because guess what? Nothing. Yes, we have to come back. As you can see, nothing. But don't worry, there will be something after some rain. Rock bed you're looking on, a mosquito. Guys, sometimes when we find nice places, we have to go through this first, and we search, and we search, and we search, and then we find it. Woo! This is a riverbed with no water.
Oh, the place there. I'm gonna make the lady walk up and down, you know. How much phone did you lose a while ago?
5. The lobster. I'm hungry again.
This place was so sexy. Like everybody wanted to know. This was a viral video on TikTok for me, and persons come and they said no, it's dried up, and I'm like, what? And look at it now.
See, climate change, people.
Mess up a lot of things.
Climate change.
Oh my God. No, I'm in disbelief. I am here and I can't believe that it's like this.
Alrighting, people, that's what we eat when it's very hot. Back juice. I know, I picked this up, but Alright, time now. What's your two?
Arsenal will like your daughters. Nice and clean. It's a mission. Jess, where say?
Yeah.
What do sweetheart? Watch out.
Can I pick up yourself? Sarah? Yeah. Alright. Jessica. Really? Really? Come, sister. People, see, our sister up here. I name sister. How will I say? Lily. Yeah. Like you say, a long phone. Jessica. That's her daughter. Guess her name.
Jessie?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello, Jessie. Nice to meet you. You alright? You going to school? You sure enough?
Yeah.
Shut up the schoolwork, you know.
Eh?
It's up, you know. Oh. Yeah, man, dear. Hello. Proud of her.
Proud. Lily.
On our way back, we saw all this fresh sea moss on the roadside selling, so we had to stop and buy some of this fresh goodness. Sea moss is rich in vitamins and minerals and can help reduce inflammation. Sea moss is an edible sea plant found and harvested from the sea. Mr. Richard is a fisherman and selling the sea moss right here at Whitehorse. I will leave his number in the description, so if you want to buy from him, just give him a call. He's located in St. Thomas, Whitehorse.